Alright, mint sauce, for most British people, mint sauce comes in a jar pretty much like that, and it's already mixed. But I'm going to show you a nice way of making really fresh mint sauce, and it's the one I'm going to use in my pulled lamb recipe. You want about a teaspoon of sugar in a mug. You want to top the mug up with about a third of hot water and give that a stir. Stir it to thoroughly mix the sugar, and then what you need is about the same amount as you did water, so another third of a cup. And I'm using cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and I'm topping that up to about 2/3. Get me so far? So we've got sugar, water and vinegar, and then the last thing we put in there is some very finely chopped mint. And you do that while it's still warm. And the reason for that is it actually pulls out the flavour of the mint a little more when it's still quite warm, and it helps the mint to relax into the sauce. Get the last of that in, and then there you have it. Classic British mint sauce. Now we allow that to chill, and even keep it in the fridge if you like, but it will keep for quite a long time because it is it's made with vinegar, and it's great straight away, but it improves after about an hour. You can add a little salt if you like, but just do that to taste. I personally don't, but I like it just as it is. Okay, mint sauce. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.